everybody, this is Eddie with Mobile Homestead Solar Services and Mobile Homesteading. I want to show you where we're at right now. Late October, up here in the northeast part of Wyoming, 10 miles from the Devil's Tower. This is our home base during spring, summer, and part of the fall. We stuck around a little bit longer this year. We're trying to wait till November the 3rd. We're going to do our voting here and then head south. And last night it was 3 below Fahrenheit, 3 below zero, and we held 70 degrees all night long. We use a wave 8 in the center room, a wave 6 on each end of the RV, and we kept those on low, and it stayed warm inside, never had a moment's trouble. So we are tickled to death that we actually took the plunge and built our own RV the way that we knew it would work best. And I'll give you a look on the inside real quick. Okay, this is the wave 6 in my daughter's bedroom in the back, and we only use it once in a while. When it got real cold, we used it on low, and we also have her vent open all the way because it gets pretty hot in here if we don't. I'll show you the one in the front. Okay guys, this is the wave 6 in our bedroom, front room, and it's 6,000 BTUs. We only use it like when it got pretty cold the other day, and also when it's cool outside and we're going to take a shower or a bath. But that's the main times that we use this unit. Okay guys, this is our wave 8. It's in the main living room area and kitchen area. It's 8,000 BTUs. And between the two 6s and this wave 8, we're running the wave 8 full out, 8,000 BTUs. And then the two 6s, that's 14,000 BTUs because the two 6s are only on low. So just that little bit of heat keeps this camper toasty at 70 degrees. And like I said, we survived easily on a 3 below night. I'd feel real comfortable taking it down, lower, as long as we get everything set up right. With these wave heaters, it's got a platinum pad in it, and it will use up the oxygen. So you've got to make sure that when you use these, that you have a little airflow. That right there is our vent fan, and we have it open normally about halfway. And then we have another vent fan in the back doing the same thing. So you get a little bit of air flowing through so that you don't have to worry about oxygen depletion. The higher the altitude, the more you're going to need it. They say you can use these up to 12,000 feet. I haven't had ours any more than 8,600 feet. So, all right, guys, there you go. That's how the Mobile Homestead handled 3 below zero Fahrenheit last night with wind. Wind field makes a big difference, and I just want you to know that we're really tickled to death that we actually worked at this and built our own camper instead of just buying another one. That was our choice 2 years ago, and we're still working on it, but I'm really happy with our decision, and just want to give you a view of wonderful Wyoming, northeast Wyoming. We love it up here. It's time to head south, though, as soon as we get our voting done. This is Eddie with Mobile Homestead Solar Services and Mobile Homesteading, saying God bless everybody and happy trails.